how do you put your voice into a stop motion video on the iPhone? Let me show you some things which you need to know about it. And if this is your first time here on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So recently I made a video about how you can make the stop motion animation. It was on the iPad, but the principle is exactly the same, where you just capture a shot in this way where just like you move the subject, like get your hands off the frame, move it a little bit more, and then you edit it in a way that it kind of behaves like the object is moving on its own. So this is basically the stop motion. You can do it with whatever, but the point is that if you want to add your voice to it, you're going to have to use a video editor of your choice. Of course, most video editors will get the job done, but personally I like to use CapCut. I keep mentioning this in my videos, and in there you can easily import the audio layer below by clicking on the audio, and through the options you can tap on like the select the sounds, the folder, and import it from your files app if you have it already. But you can as well just click on the record button and sort of like record it in real time. It's called the voiceover feature, and it just means that you speak on the top of the video. It's going to be added as the audio layer below. But yeah, that's a very effective and quick way of putting your voice into the stop motion video project on the iPhone. So I really hope that this is what you had in mind and you were kind of like wondering about it. So let me know if I managed to help you out. If you meant something else, let me know about that below in the comments. It's possible I'll make an updated video about it. But for now, that's it. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.